Hey, what's going on, guys? Nick here from Drywall Nation, and I just wanted to do a really quick little video on a new product that we've been testing for the last couple months. It's the latest version of FibaFuse, and as you can see, they've added a layer of mesh now to the one side of the tape to make it that much stronger. Also keep in mind, this won't be released for a while now. We just wanted to give you guys a heads up of what is being developed. But yeah, we've taped a few jobs with it. It runs great through the taper, works in angles, works on butt joints, no complaints so far. Also keep in mind, this isn't replacing FibaFuse. This is just in addition to FibaFuse, another product that'll, maybe if you're on the fence to use the regular version, now you can use the beefed up version with the mesh. To show you how strong it is, give you an idea, you can't tear it. It's really strong because of the mesh, but it still cuts relatively cleanly with the knife. Get a nice cut. Yeah, so more or less we're looking for some feedback. What do you think? If you've been nervous to try FibaFuse, would you be willing to try this version? Let us know in the comments.